Hello everyone and welcome to our new free video analysis in which I will cover the SP 500 and the dollar index. So the SP 500 here, as you can see, is holding this support level from February of this year. So for now, I think that this could be ongoing consolidation, which will maybe resolve itself after the US elections. Ideally, we will form a triangle here and then a push higher into wave 5. And the reason why I'm looking for a triangle in favor of this idea, this interpretation, is because the first leg here in September was clearly made by three waves. Then we rallied where I firstly thought it will be a new ongoing 5-wave cycle, but obviously I was wrong. The market made an overlap here, moved below wave B swing high here, meaning that this overlap confirms that this was also another 3-wave move, same or similar like the one we have seen here. So now the question is in which correction we are. Well, we know that this is a correction, no doubt, but the only question is if this is maybe going to be a more complex triangle or maybe even flat or WXY. We don't know that. What we know is that either correction is still ongoing and incomplete. So what I'm looking at it for now is that we are in a wave C. Now wave C already reached the first very interesting support here at 3,400. The next support that we should also pay attention on is probably at this wave B swing close here around 3,300 or 50 points higher. So those are both very important levels. So far we have seen some upward reaction, but I'm not really convinced that this is already wave D. Definitely have to see a little bit more slow but still upward price movement before I can confirm that we are in a wave in wave D. But in either case, even if it's a triangle, still ongoing in the middle of consolidation now, so this may take time before prices may move to the upside. But if we'll see this triangle to resume and go tighter and tighter, I think that there can be very nice opportunities here again to catch this upside after this triangle will be completed. Now also looking at the US dollar index, now we've been looking for this market, for this bearish reversal here already back in September, when we notice only a 3-wave rise back into this very important level, March lows, and at the same time there was this downtrend line. Also you had 3 waves rally with wave C equals to wave A also in the same yellow box, same zone. Okay, so I'm not surprised that we have seen a reversal down from it. Actually this gives us quite a nice picture where the US dollar can be headed in the upcoming weeks. I think that we could see a retest of these lows. Why? Because the rally, as I said, was made by 3 waves. So looking at the 4-hour chart here, I have actually 2 interpretations. Now the first interpretation is that maybe we are already in wave 3, but my concern is that we haven't seen this broken trend line. Okay, this base channel, this trend line should be taken out to confirm more weakness down into wave 3. Okay, because that would normally cause an acceleration of the price activity within this bearish impulse. So if this will not happen, if we'll just stay consolidating here, okay, and just move sideways through Monday and Tuesday session, then I think that maybe this whole wave 4 that I labeled here as a completed is also going to be maybe a triangle. Okay, so we'll see how this unfolds, but even triangle here should be corrective movement, meaning that these lows sooner or later could come in play. But as I said, maybe after US elections we will see also what happens with Brexit. After all, this is also very important because our dollar index, as you know, it has very big weight of the euro. So we will see how this unfolds. I really love the idea that actually we rallied in 3 waves, meaning that we are in a corrective phase and that those trends that we are seeing away from March levels are still in play, and that those levels could be taken out. Of course, on the other side you have this coronavirus crisis cases again still spreading. So that's why we may stay in those consolidation for a little bit longer than we think. But even if we get some risk off, I think that there will not be there will not be such a huge sell-off like we experienced back in March. Why? Because it's not something new. Despite lockdowns, we know what the situation is. Maybe the companies are better prepared in this second lockdown. So we will see how things will develop in this field. But I really think that there is still too early to say that stocks has made a top or that US dollar has bottomed. Okay, Tourist, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you love the video, please subscribe to our channel or press a like on YouTube or leave a commentary. Also, if you want to see more of our charts, our updates, you have only 2 days left now to subscribe to our services and get a 50% discount, not only on the FX, but also the crypto service. Traders, thank you very much for attention and have a good weekend. Bye.